The first step is to open Cetec ERP and search for the quote you want to create a new revision from. Click Quote 198. Click into the BOM worksheet. You can modify the existing BOM worksheet if desired. Click Add. You can see the current revision is 1. Navigate back to the quote screen. Click into the pencil icon for the line. The section for revision is where you will be able to change the revision to a new one. Type in the name of the new revision. You can choose whether or not you want to keep the existing BOM worksheet or create a new one. I selected No so I can keep the changes I made to the worksheet. Click OK. Here you can see it gives you alert that the revision is not current. This is for visibility and won't stop order entry. Click into the BOM worksheet again. The revision has now been updated to the newly created revision. The changes made to the worksheet have also been preserved. That's it. You're done.